Hello, Backstreet Boy fans. I'm going to sing a song that I'm sure all of you would know. Here it goes. Oh, the loneliness has always been a friend of mine. I'm leaving my life in your hands. People say I'm crazy and that I am blind, risking it all in a glance. And how you got me blind still story. I can't get you out of my head. Don't care what is written in your history. As long as you're here with me, I don't care who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. And every little thing that you have said and done feels like it's deep within me. Doesn't really matter if you're on the run. It seems like we're meant to be. I don't care who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. Okay, that's all I'm going to say for now. So peace out and bye.